Good day. Today in our transformations unit, we're going to look at translations. This is sliding the figure. We're just moving it vertically or horizontally. Now the way that we move this is if we have coordinates x, y, we're going to move them by x plus h and y plus k. H is the horizontal shift, k is the vertical shift. Let's look at number 2. Triangle CDE has vertices 2, -1, 7, -4, E4, -6. So let's plot these 2, -1, 7, -4, and 4, -6. I was talking and wrote -4 there instead of a D. There's my D, and here's E. Follow the letters, C, D, E. There's my triangle. Now I want to move this by x minus 3 and y plus 8. What this says is x minus 3 is left 3. So I'm going to take each one of these and go to left 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. What the plus 8 says is to go up 8 in the y direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are my image coordinates. C, D, E. Put the apostrophe for the image. Draw the figure, finished. Now I want to show you one more thing. You can count these coordinates, but I want to show you the easiest way to do these problems. For my image C, my coordinate was 2 from the top here. And I subtracted 3 from it. That was my left 3. So all these are minus 3. Because it was 2 minus 3, that would give me -1, which is the coordinate, x coordinate of my image C. -1 was the y value, and I went up 8 on every y value. -1 plus 8 is 7. That is the y coordinate at C. If you're doing this algebraically, it is easier than if you do it graphically. That is my opinion. Do what you will with it. That would be 7 and -4. This would be 4 and -6. So all of my coordinates should be as follows. You can check my diagram. My answers are correct. Go ahead and pause the video. Try 1 through 4. Try 5 and 6. Write a rule describing the translation below. You can do any of these image and pre-image combinations, but only pick one of them. So I'm going to pick F. Pre-image F, image F. I want to describe how the F goes to image F. Make sure the order you're going is correct. You want to end up with the one at the apostrophe. So what do? We go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's right 7. And then from here, we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 4. The hard part for this problem is finished. Now we have to write the statement. It always begins x comma y, my coordinate. What is happening to x, y? Well, I'm taking the x, I'm going to the right 7, so that is plus 7. For my y value, what's happening to it? I'm going up 4 plus 4. Finished. Try number 8. Now this one has reflections and it has translations. I'm going to do number 12 because it is the hardest, and I'll let you try 9 through 10. Triangle GHI with vertices G, -1, 6, H, -1, 3, I, -6, 6. Let's plot these coordinates. -1, +6. That is my pre-image G. I have H of -1, 3. And I have I, -6, +6. There is my triangle. This whole set of values is my pre-image. Now, since this has two transformations, our next one is going to be an image. For my image, we're going to have G prime, and we're moving it to the right 7, down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is G prime. Image G. You can do that algebraically, of course. -1 plus 7 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now, I'm going to do the rest of them algebraically instead of counting them out. Image H is going to be also 6, and then -2. And then I is going to be a +1 and 1. Image I. And then we have image H. Okay. From here, let me draw my figure. That was an eraser, my bad. From here, we're reflecting it over the line y equals -3. That is this line. But when we finish, we're going to get our final image. And green is the best color, so we'll make the final image green. If you remember from yesterday, reflections, I'm going to count down to the line. So that was 4. I'm going to go 4 more. Here's my final image I. I'm going to put 2 apostrophes there. Do the same thing for G and H. There's my final figure. Now we can write down the coordinates. 6, -7, 6, -4, and 1, -7. Pause the video to try 9 through 11. Now let's look at the answers. This is all that I have for you today. I hope you have a good rest of your day.